Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum and mop combos that are going head-to-head. In one corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. And in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to cleaning performance, both of these robots have impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop boasts incredible suction power and sonic mopping. It can pick up dry debris and mop hard floors simultaneously. With its Matrix Clean technology, it delivers 30% better carpet cleaning compared to its competitor. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo also offers a 2-in-1 cleaning experience. It has a 1,400 pascals suction power and a wet mop function with an electric control water tank. This combo is designed to handle different types of floors, including laminate, ceramic tiles, granite, and parquet. Navigation and mapping are essential for efficient cleaning. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop features 360 degrees lidar vision, which allows it to quickly and accurately map your home. It can detect and avoid obstacles, adapting to changes in your home environment. This ensures thorough and methodical cleaning, day or night. Meanwhile, the robot vacuum and mop combo is equipped with advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance technology. It intelligently identifies and avoids white walls, stairs, and other obstacles. With its slim design, it can reach every corner of your house or narrow spaces, leaving no area untouched. Battery life and self-charging capabilities are crucial for uninterrupted cleaning. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It has a self-emptying base and doesn't require additional purchase of disposal bags. With its recharge and resume feature, it automatically recharges and continues cleaning where it left off. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a runtime of 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house. When the battery is low or cleaning is finished, it automatically returns to the charging base to recharge. In terms of online reviews, both products have received positive feedback. Customers appreciate the cleaning performance and advanced features of the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. They praise its suction power, sonic mopping, and Matrix Clean technology. However, some reviewers mention that it can be a bit loud. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its versatility and ease of use. Customers find it effective in cleaning dirt and debris, especially for pet owners. However, there are some concerns about the durability of the brushes and the effectiveness of the mop function. And there you have it. In the battle of robot vacuum and mop combos, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop takes the lead in cleaning performance, navigation, mapping, and battery life. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget before making a final decision. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter.